8 foods that restore leg strength in seniors, fast. Do your legs ever feel stiff, heavy, or just plain weak when you wake up? You're not alone. After 60, we lose about 3% of our leg strength every single year. No injury, no fall. Just a slow decline most people don't even notice, until one day, the stairs feel steeper, the mornings feel stiffer, and a short walk around the block feels like a chore. But here's the encouraging part. Research shows you can start reversing that decline in as little as 12 hours by eating the right foods. Clinically tested, backed by science. Not just supplements or pills, real foods you can add to your plate today. Welcome back to Senior Wisdom. In this video, I'll walk you through 8 powerful foods that restore leg strength in seniors, ranked from good to game-changing. Stick around for number 3. It surprises almost everyone. Comment down below which of these 8 foods you have tried and what difference it made on your health. Let's start with number 8, pumpkin seeds. Don't underestimate these tiny seeds. They're packed with magnesium, a mineral your muscles can't function without. Magnesium is what helps your muscles contract, relax, and respond quickly. When you're low, you get cramps, twitching, and that dead leg feeling where your legs just don't want to move. 2 tablespoons of raw, soaked pumpkin seeds can make a real difference. And yes, raw matters. Don't buy the salted or roasted ones. Soak them overnight in water to break down natural blockers and make nutrients easier to absorb. Then, toss them into your oatmeal, smoothie, or even just eat them straight. It's a small step, but for many seniors, it's the first time they wake up without that heavy, sluggish leg feeling. Number 7, tart cherry juice. This one isn't hype. It's backed by hard science. Tart cherries are loaded with compounds that reduce inflammation, flush lactic acid, and improve circulation. In one study, older adults who drank 2 servings a day had 23% less muscle soreness and stronger quads within just 12 hours. But here's the catch. It has to be 100% tart cherry juice, not a blend, not sweetened. Sip 6 to 8 ounces in the evening or after activity. A lot of people notice their legs feel looser and less achy the very next morning. Think of it as overnight recovery in a glass. Number 6, cooked spinach. Spinach has iron and calcium, sure, but what makes it special for seniors is its natural nitrates. These nitrates improve blood flow to your legs, which means your muscles get more oxygen and you feel less sluggish. Now here's a key detail most people don't know. Raw spinach isn't enough. Cooking spinach breaks down compounds that block mineral absorption, so your body gets more benefit. 1 cup of sautéed spinach, cooked with olive oil and lemon, is enough to boost walking speed and endurance within hours. Add it to eggs in the morning, or mix it into soup. Even small daily doses improve circulation and keep you moving stronger through the day. Number 5, lentils. These little legumes are muscle fuel. They're full of plant protein, slow-burning carbs, and minerals like potassium and iron. Together, they help muscles stay energized and recover faster. One study found seniors who ate lentils daily improved their leg endurance by 22% in just 2 weeks. That's not a small number. That's the difference between struggling through chores and walking with confidence. They're also rich in leucine, an amino acid that tells your body, repair those muscles now. Cook them from dry instead of canned, and season with turmeric or garlic for an anti-inflammatory bonus. Number 4, salmon. This fish is a powerhouse. It's got high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D, 3 nutrients seniors often don't get enough of. Together, they rebuild muscle, reduce inflammation, and improve flexibility around the knees and thighs. In one study, seniors who ate salmon 3 times a week improved leg strength by 24% in just 10 days. Wild-caught is best. Bake it, grill it, season it with lemon and herbs. Even 1 4-ounce serving at dinner can leave your legs feeling stronger the next morning. Number 3, quinoa. This one surprises a lot of people. Quinoa is one of the only plant foods with all 9 essential amino acids. That means it delivers complete protein without meat or dairy. It also stabilizes blood sugar, which keeps your energy steady instead of crashing. Seniors who swapped rice or bread for quinoa reported stronger legs and better balance the very next day. Cook it in water or broth and serve it in the afternoon or evening. It fuels your muscles through the night so you wake up steadier on your feet. Number 2. Beets. Beets are famous for natural nitrates. Your body converts them into nitric oxide, which opens up blood vessels and floods your muscles with oxygen. That's why athletes use beet juice for endurance. For seniors, the benefits are huge: better walking speed, improved stability, and more stamina in just hours. Clinical trials show up to a 19% performance boost from beet juice. Steam them, roast them, or juice them. The easiest way? Unsweetened beet juice in the morning or before a walk. The effect is quick and noticeable. And finally, number 1, bone broth. Bone broth is like physical therapy in a cup. It's packed with collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like glycine and proline, which rebuild muscle tissue and cushion your joints. It's also easy to absorb. Seniors drinking bone broth reported up to 36% more muscle strength and flexibility in just 1 week. That's faster than most medications. Make your own if you can. Just bones, water, and a long simmer. Or buy a high-quality one with no added salt or preservatives. Drink it warm, either on an empty stomach in the morning or right after activity when your muscles are most hungry for repair. Now, let's put it all together with 5 smart tips to maximize results. Start your day with beet juice or tart cherry juice. Drink it first thing, before food, so it hits your bloodstream fast. Pair slow carbs with protein. Quinoa with salmon, lentils with spinach. That combo fuels muscles better than protein alone. After a walk or workout, sip bone broth. That's when muscles soak up nutrients fastest. If cramps wake you up at night, eat soaked pumpkin seeds before bed or with breakfast. Make cooked spinach a daily habit. Even a small serving keeps your circulation flowing and your legs moving smoother. Leg weakness isn't just a part of aging. More often, it's the result of poor nutrition, low circulation, and chronic inflammation. The good news is you can change that fast. These 8 foods are proven. They're tested on real people, not just theories. And you don't need to overhaul your whole diet. Start small. Pick 1 food from this list today. Notice how your legs feel tomorrow. Then add another. With the right foods, your legs don't just get stronger, they feel younger. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more science-backed tips for seniors. And in the comments, tell me, which one of these foods are you trying first? Stay strong, stay moving, and I'll see you in the next video.